Hey everyone, this is Mike Collette from Prototype Training Systems. Going to take you through the technique on the Bulgarian Split Squat and a few different loading options. So if you notice, I got a bench here. It's roughly anywhere from 16 to 18 inch height. I'm going to start my setup by putting the edge of my foot on the bench with my knee in contact with the floor. If you have any issues with your knee being in contact with the floor, feel free to use some sort of foam mat. They may feel a little bit more comfortable for you. And from this position, once we get set up, we want to make sure that our front shin is vertical in this position. And during the movement, we want to make sure that our weight is focused on that front leg, not loading on our back leg. So if you notice just real quick here, when I start the movement, let's go back real quick. I just lean slightly forward to keep my weight on that front leg. From here, I'm in the goblet position. So I got a dumbbell, or you can use a kettlebell underneath my chin in contact with my body. And I'm just coming down, pressing back up through the center of my foot. As I go down, I go back and down, just pivoting on the toe that's on the bench. Again, I'm not loading up that back leg. Ensuring that nice vertical shin is going to give you a little bit more emphasis on those glutes as we go through the exercise. So as I go through this movement, I'll show you another loading variation. So you can grab a couple dumbbells, holding them and one in each hand. This will allow you to go a little bit heavier on this exercise. Now the dumbbells are out to your side here. The movement stays the exact same. Notice how my head position is nice and neutral, pressing through the front foot, pressing all the way up, coming to extension, coming back and down. My head stays nice and neutral. Press through at the top. And I stay nice and braced throughout the entire exercise. Then I'll show you another variation here where I bring those dumbbells up to the front rack position, very similar to the dumbbell front squat, where my upper arms are relatively parallel to the ground. The head of the dumbbell is in contact with my shoulder. The exercise remains the same, just a little bit different emphasis on where that weight and loading is. Now it's a little bit more in the front, so a little bit more challenging on the core. And again, just a few different variations for that Bulgarian split squat.